Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm looking at this Honda CBF600. It's a 2005 model, 600 cc's, inline 4, making about 78 brake horsepower. It was well ahead of its time. It came with ABS. This particular one's fully loaded with luggage. It was a great first 600 that could do a lot of things very well. So if you're looking for a lightweight tourer or a middle-sized tourer that can really stretch its legs on intercontinentals or staycations, if you're looking for a decent first bike that's reliable and well built, something fun for the weekends, this could be for you. This particular one's covered 34,000 miles. You wouldn't know it to look at it. It's in very good condition. Obviously, not being a brand new bike, there are some wear and tear marks on it as you'd expect, but on the whole, this bike is very nice and it's been well loved. So let's start at the front. So this bike was a bit ahead of its time and it came with ABS, which is obviously quite rare for a 2005 bike, but nonetheless this has got it. You've got 4-pot brakes from Nissan and big 310mm discs. The forks on this bike are not upside down, but that's a good thing because it protects the forks from any damage. As you can see, the fork stanchions are in good condition. There's no pitting or rust or anything like that. No leaks, very nice. The bike's finished in a metallic silver. On the whole, the paintwork is good, but there are some marks here and there that I'll try and point out as we go. Panning up, we've got the original screen. There's some stress marks on the plastics, possibly where someone's leant on it, but it's structurally intact and it looks okay cosmetically. It is purely just down to the cosmetics if you wanted to change it. The bike is fitted with engine crash bars, as you can see on the right-hand side. There's no sign that it's been down the road. It's been very well kept. As you can see from the header pipes, are in very good condition, which suggests this bike has been well maintained and potentially not ridden in bad weather. It's also fitted with a centre stand, got the original exhaust as well, and as you can see as I pan up, we've got the full Gibby luggage set up as well. There's a couple of cosmetic marks on the luggage, so just here, it's very common, and just at the top here. Again, you could paint that if you wanted to, but it's a very common thing. There's a couple of minor marks just on the rear seat in it, and a very small one on the tank here at the front. Coming around the front, you can just see that there's a couple of stretch marks on the screen itself. And again, on this side, we've got the engine bars. Again, very good condition for the age and for the mileage. It's been well loved and looked after. Again, there's a few marks, minor marks on the panniers. This particular bike has got a low seat as well, and it's quite an expensive one. It's a very nicely done one, so it just helps you if you're a little bit shorter in the inside leg, just to get your feet flat on the ground. Chains, sprockets, everything like that checked during the PDI, but on this bike they look relatively new, and the tyres are in average condition as well. Again, would get checked during the PDI. The bike comes with 2 keys, lots of spare keys for the panniers. All analog dash, as you can see, very straightforward, very reliable. 34,131 miles from new, and you can see that the ABS system is working as well. There's just a 12-volt socket just to the right over here, and the bike is fitted with Oxford heated grips, which are one of the better heated grips in our opinion. Let's give her a start up for you. Engine sounds absolutely brilliant. There's no rattles or anything like that from the cam chain. It's been well serviced and well maintained. All of our bikes are coming with free delivery at the moment. They also come with a 3-month warranty with free roadside assistance. We do offer finance and part exchange as well. If you're interested in those, or if you've got any questions, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp or Facebook. We've got live chat on our website and on Auto Trader. We're happy for you to pop into the showroom, give us a call for a chat. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.